Hello everyone, my name is John Zavodny. I'm the National Sales Manager for our EMC business at Rohde Schwarz America. First of all, I want to welcome you to the EMC show in Santa Clara. I want to talk a little bit about what we're displaying here at the booth today. For our EMC business, we offer all major components for anybody that is looking to work in the EMC industry. We offer everything from pre-compliance to full compliance. We offer all the major components, including receivers, pre-compliance and full compliance receivers. We offer chambers. We offer broadband amplifiers. We offer control software to control turntables, to control equipment, to control antenna masts, and we also offer full turnkey system solutions. So I kind of wanted to walk you through a little bit about what we're showing at the show this week and describe a little bit about what each product does. And I do invite you to visit our website and request more information. I manage a team of EMC specialists across North America, and it's a team of people that we believe in working directly with our customers, interfacing with you directly, understanding what your EMC needs are, and figuring out what type of solution we can provide to you. So let's take a look first over at our full compliance receivers. This is an ESR. This particular receiver goes up to 26 gigahertz today. We offer three models, 3 gigahertz, 7 gigahertz, and 26 gigahertz. And then we also offer the ESU, which is our solution that goes up to 40 gigahertz. What's new about the ESR receiver is it's got a separate built-in processor for doing what we call time domain scan. And what time domain scan is an FFT analysis where we take 40 megahertz wide FFTs and we stitch those FFTs together across the entire frequency span to give you very, very fast measurement results. What this gives you is a measurement solution that's up to 600 times faster than traditional step scan mode. Fully CISPR compliant receiver, very well accepted in the industry. Customers are buying these because of the time savings associated with it. Another thing that is available on these receivers is something called real-time mode. And what real-time mode is, it's a state that you put the analyzer into that will allow you to look at your signal in real time in a 40 megahertz wide bandwidth. What you're looking at right now is the ESU receiver, and that is our 40 gigahertz solution for people that need to go up that high in frequency. So next, I'd like to bring you over to our pre-compliance solutions. This is the ESRP, and we offer a whole line of equipment in the pre-compliance arena, including spectrum analyzers, and we have an ESRP receiver. The ESRP receiver is very, very similar to the ESR that you saw in our full compliance solution. The main difference is it's slightly less processing power, a little bit different on the RF front end, but it would have the exact same user interface, and it has an optional pre-selector that's available for it. It does have time domain scan. It's not going to be as fast as the ESR, but a very, very solid solution for doing pre-compliance, and the people that want the look and feel of an EMI receiver, the ESRP is a great solution for that. In addition to that, we offer a various series of spectrum analyzers where you can also do pre-compliance measurements. We have software platforms that will run on our spectrum analyzers to put the spectrum analyzer into an EMC-like receiver state. So next, I'd like to bring you over to our amplifier area and talk about broadband amplifiers. So I want to talk a little bit about Rohde Schwarz broadband amplifiers. Rohde Schwarz has actually been in the amplifier business for a number of years. We have a division dedicated to radio and television broadcasts. So we have a lot of experience in designing and manufacturing amplifiers that are used in 24/7 operations. We've taken that technologies and we've wrapped that into broadband amplifiers that are manufactured out of our Teisnach, Germany facility. A little bit about our amplifiers. We go up to 6 gigahertz. They are all solid state, and we have a whole series of different power classifications around our amplifiers. We just introduced a 10 kilowatt series of amplifiers. So we have a 3, a 5, and a 10 kilowatt series of liquid cooled amplifiers. If you take a look over here at this demonstration wall, this is an example of some of the projects that we can do. We do full turnkey solutions. The chart here on the bottom of this wall gives a good description of the various amplifiers, power classes, and frequency ranges that we offer. One of the benefits of our amplifier series is that we like to say that we protect your investment. So if you have the need and you start off with a smaller power level of amplifiers, we allow you to grow into what your needs are. We protect your investment so you don't have to remove your investment, and you have the ability to upgrade your existing solutions to either higher frequency or higher power class through our service organization, through our system service organization. So I want to talk to you a little bit about our chamber solutions. Rohde Schwarz has partnered with a company called APG, and in our Dallas, Texas facility, we have a company called AP Americas. It's actually joined directly to our facility where we put together our systems. Right next door is where we're actually building chambers for North America. So I want to bring you inside, have you take a look at what our chambers are all about. What we have here is a solution that is solid pan shielding versus other solutions that you'll see in North America that have a wooden inner core on the walls. We use solid shielding. We build these panels and bend these panels down in our Dallas, Texas facility. One of the unique things that I want to point out is how our absorbers actually mount to the wall. We use something called a keyhole type of latching mechanism, and these simply then slip back on, line up. The benefit here is if you ever do have any damage to your absorber linings, these are standard size pieces, can be easily taken off, replaced in a matter of minutes. Also just want to point out the brick layered construction that we use with our ferrite tiles. We do this to prevent any vertical gaps that would develop over time when things settle or how things line up. We don't use any glue or adhesives in our chambers. The natural bends that we have on the inner walls allows us to clamp things, and that's how we mount everything. So we mount wood, we clamp wood strips to the bends in the walls. We mount our wood to that. All ferrite tiles are individually screwed. One of the benefits about our chambers is that if you ever need to move it, you can move it with only replacing a few parts, material, the gasketing that goes in between the shielding and some other things. You can physically take apart our chamber, relocate it to a new location, put it back together, and you're going to get the exact same performance. Okay? I invite you to visit our site, call in one of our EMC specialists. We'd be happy to come and give you a presentation in depth around all the differentiators of our chamber solutions. So let's go over and take a look now at our Custom Systems Solution Center. There's a couple of things I want to point out. I did mention we were going to look at our Custom Solutions area, but before I do that, I wanted to point out what we offer in the way of oscilloscopes for doing debugging and pre-compliance type measurements as well. Rohde Schwarz offers a full line of digital oscilloscopes, and we also offer a series of close field probes that people can use to probe their circuit boards and find out where things are emitting. And what that allows you to do is look at things in a time domain, and because of the processing power that's available on our oscilloscopes, we're also able to do very fast FFTs, look at things in the frequency domain, and see how things in the frequency domain correlate with those things in the time domain to understand where things are emitting from, where the problems are, and allow the engineering community to debug their products more efficiently. Okay, thank you. So next, what I'd like to now show you is one of the solutions that we have out at the show that comes out of our custom system solution based out of our Dallas facility. I mentioned I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what we offer out of our custom systems area that's headquartered down in Dallas, Texas, in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. What we have at the show here is one solution, but I do want to point out that we do full turnkey EMC solutions. So for those individuals that have the need to put together an EMS test facility, a radiated emissions test facility, a chamber, all of that is stemmed out of our Dallas, Texas facility. What we're showing at the show here today is something that we're about to introduce, which is a vision system. So for those customers that have the need to radiate their product with a high energy field and they want to monitor what is happening on that product, we developed a software package that's driven by EMC 32, in addition to software running on a laptop that will control a camera and monitor what is happening to your device under test. And what we allow the end user to do, in this case we're looking at a dashboard, and what this solution allows you to do is look at that dashboard, draw areas of interest at different points on that dashboard to look at things like intensity, to look at things like needle movement, to look at things like the rate that things are changing. People want to understand when their product is being hit by a high energy field, does that product fail? This is a solution to automatically monitor that for you, and we can set it up to set different trigger devices to flag a user when their equipment is not operating properly. And down in our Dallas facility, we're also doing things like build to print. Our OTA systems are put together there, and any type of custom solution that a customer has a need for, we're staffed to work with you, understand what your needs are, and put together a system that would suit your business needs. So again, I want to thank everyone for listening today, and I invite you to visit us on our website. Feel free to contact me directly. Again, my name is John Zavodny. I am the National Sales Manager for our EMC business, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you very much.